How to delete Etsy account. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in etsy.com. Search for it. Make sure you're logged into the Etsy account on your browser. Tap on the profile icon that you can see on your screen. Tap on the option Account Settings. Tap on the option for privacy that you can see on the screen. Scroll down. Find the option for permanently close and delete your Etsy account. Tap on the option Request deletion of your data. Tap on the option Yes, I'm sure. Tap on the option OK. Now you'll receive the email from Etsy. Open the Gmail. Find the email sent by Etsy and tap on it. Scroll down. Read all these informations. Tap on the option Confirm my account deletion request. You can see over here your request has been submitted. Once your request is processed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Like this, you can delete your Etsy account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.